Emergency, good day. What is your problem? Wait some time, we'll be right back. Emma, how can I help you?
Hello, ambulance. I can't move. I don't know what happened.
Okay, let me think. Oh, let's change your will. What about oil? Let's check your oil container. Oh, probably we should go to service station, the hospital of cars. Try those power supplies. It will definitely help. The triangle one. Oh, it will not fit. Second, the circle one. Oh, same problem. I know, square now will fit.
Oh, great! I feel awesome. See you later, ambulance.
Dude, let's race in that city. There is no police at all.
I love that idea. Let's do that. Please, buddy. I'm faster than you.
I believe I can fly.
Oh, they're gonna run a red light. Breaking the rules is not good.
Dude, faster! Bikes? Not on my watch. Oh God, police!
He's chasing us. Be quick.
No worries. We are faster than light. I can't handle it by myself. Let's call back up.
And they said, Bulls gonna win in Miami. Oh, Lucas is calling. Yep, Lucas. Got it. We'll be there in 5 minutes. Let's go, guys. Lucas need help.
Let's go in that way.
You're surrounded. Turn off your engines and stay where you are. You are under arrest.
Let's go back.
They're chasing police.
We are in the trouble.
Wait! Lucas is here. You are under arrest. Please, stay where you are.
My name is Sergeant Lucas, and I am Will City Hero. Look! This bus needs our help.
Hello, my name is Sergeant Lucas. How are you doing?
Hi, officer. I ran out of fuel and I'm late to school.
Okay.
Let me help you, Billy. Sheriff, I need your help over here.
How are you doing all?
Good.
Okay, let me help you.
I'll see you later.
See you later.
Hi, Matt. Can you help me?
Oh, hi Jax. What are you doing here? Be quiet. I will help you.
Oh, yes, help me please.
Call Heli. We must catch him as soon as possible.
Hello, officer. We need your help. That's all, Jax. Now you're alone.
Oh no. There is police.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can and will be used against you in a court.